Hey there, tech-savvy friends. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with the frustration of your iPhone's Messenger app not sending messages in 2025. Don't worry. It's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through simple, effective fixes step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be back to chatting with your friends in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable or that your cellular data is turned on and strong. Open Safari or another app to test if you can browse the web. If it's spotty, restart your router or toggle airplane mode on your iPhone for 30 seconds to refresh the connection. Next, force quit the Messenger app. Double-click the home button or swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the app to close it completely. Then, reopen it and see if that does the trick. Sometimes, apps just need a quick reset. Now, let's update everything. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and check for updates. Make sure Messenger is up to date, as 2025 might have brought new fixes. While you're there, head to Settings, General, Software Update to ensure your iOS is the latest version. Apple often releases patches for messaging bugs. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. Although iPhones don't have a direct cache clearer, you can offload the app by going to Settings, General greater than iPhone storage, selecting Messenger, and tapping Offload App. Then, reinstall it from the App Store. Another key step is to verify permissions. Go to Settings, Messenger and ensure that permissions for microphone, camera, and notifications are enabled. Without these, sending messages might fail. If you're still stuck, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and a volume button until the slider appears, then power off and on again. This can resolve deeper software glitches. Lastly, if none of these work, it might be time to contact Facebook support or Apple for help. They can investigate if it's a device-specific issue. There you have it. Easy steps to get your Messenger up and running in 2025. Give these a try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.